thunderstorm watch number 212.
What the hell?
Until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Texas, Harris, remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the of severe weather, including large hail and damaging waves in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to
Unrecognized message is issued for this.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Bad, 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 bad.